Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds if I'm correct pidgin your names. Now we do. And today, na Nigerian clubs now they look season go soon start. Nigeria Professional Football League, Nigeria Premier League. Anyone where you know Amas, the season go soon start. Waiting be the plans of Nigeria club when season go start. Because me, I don't discover say you got some Nigerian clubs for the place where they nobody know them for that state. Nobody know them. If you go ask the people for that state where they pass for that area, say you know this club, then go tell you say I just know Amas. You don't go watch their game before, then go tell you Mba. Then go tell you no, they never watched the game before. So waiting be the plans of Nigerian club to make sure say fans come stadium this year. Waiting be the plan of Nigerian clubs to make sure say people go this stadium come watch a game. Waiting be the plan of Nigerian clubs to make sure say they sell tickets. Football na business, so I mean Nigerian club they never know. Football na business. Waiting be una plan. Season go to start. I mean to come play kick and follow again as usual. Waiting be una plan. Even una coaches. Waiting be the plan.